cinnamon balls. Progress, cream cheese, vanilla, cinnamon, butter, red sugar. Let's take progress. Can I take out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's open. Dry food, a butter. I like for mom. It's like this. Not cooked by sugar. Move out. Cheese, shrooms, stimmy. 9,
Pork.
2, 3, mixer. Ooh, so pretty. I love it. Like this. Look. Up. Like this. Now cut it. It help. Now pick rolls up. Swoop up. Then make 2. Oven for 3. Squeeze. Make icing. Haircut and sugar. Can I put it?
Yeah.
Ooh, so pretty.
Okay.
Fruit bear. Okay, now try with this. Okay, I pull out 6 spoons cream cheese. Have tablespoon salt and mix it. Ooh, put icing on silver.
One more.
Okay, we're done. Oops. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.